Oftentimes I get asked questions very similar to the one that I'm reading from right here is how do you keep the full capture device from filling up? And the simple answer is you just can't. You can't predict always what the land use activity is, what the generation amount of trash and debris will be on a given catchment area. Additionally, you can't predict how Mother Nature turns on the pump that may pick up and mobilize the larger particles that make up the trash and debris in the watershed. That's why the regional boards have specified a more intense half-inch per hour intensity storm event as that storm event that picks up and mobilizes the gross solids, trash and debris that typically has a rough definition of anything greater than 5 millimeters. So what you have is a variety of trash and debris ranging from neutrally buoyant to settable materials to floatable materials, and who knows how much on a given watershed is how much of that material is going to be out there. Certainly for some land use activities, you're going to have just a huge amount of gross solids. Mother Nature is going to turn on the pump and mobilize that material. It's been shown, particularly down in LA, how 80% of the gross solids is actually picked up and transported in the first 3 high intensity storm events in the watershed at the start of the wet season, and then not so much at the end. So, in California, we have a long dry period, and you get those first couple storm events. If they're powerful enough, they'll pick up and mobilize possibly as much as 60 to 80% of all the trash and debris that's been collected and sitting out on that watershed. So the simple answer is you can't prevent it from filling up. What you want to do, though, is have a design like the JDS system that retains what it captures, so that when it does fill up, it's not burping the floatables, it's not releasing the previously captured solids in its sump. Yes, it may be a glorified buried trash can at that point, but the design aspects of no release of previously captured material is important so that you garnish to yourself, credit for capturing all of those gross solids. There's plenty of designs out there that actually store the material in the treatment flow path, and then these higher events will actually pick up and mobilize previously captured material, which simply does not happen because of the inherent design of the JDS system. And so I wish I could tell you, no, it'll never fill up, but that's just not the case. We don't control those parameters, and you can come clean it out with a good vacuum truck service, when you need to.